Hello everyone.
Dark
we are
Knight.
going to play.
With Dark
If
Knight,
you're going-
my videos, okay?
Okay, we're going to
You're
play
probably
Floodscape
good.
S for today.
We're gonna play Floodscape as
Jason, be
today.
quiet. So this game may be a little bit awesome to you.
Yeah, that's
Except
me.
for that very satisfying.
Yeah, and that stupid thing. Oh, over here.
Yeah, that's Shifla.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
shift
so
up.
everyone.
anymore.
OMG,
I'm
wait
gonna
for
be
me. I don't
joined.
like to. Okay, wait for
I'm
me.
gonna be joined by Nathan Ski.
I'm
gonna be joined by Dark
okay.
side.
So we are already in the game.
Yeah,
Floodscape S.
we said. Wait
Okay.
for me.
I'm a little bit laggy.
What is this obby? What is this
Okay.
lobby? This is confusing. Guys, look at this.
That lobby was the lobby was updated.
This thing is broken.
Let's go, boy. I don't know how to beat this map yet, so okay. Oh, I like the sound of. I'm a little bit laggy with all this stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna
The lava's already rising.
I'm gonna spectate somebody else. Not me, not me.
Oh, dear, I'm oofed.
I saw you, Nathan. You're oof.
Yeah, I am.
These guys are oof.
Get away from that lock mouse. It's going to get you crazy. I need a server that has a few people.
But
This
it's-
server's too cloudy.
It's not too crowded. Okay.
I'll choose shutdown. No, Tria.
I'll choose.
Okay,
My
precious.
favorite. That's my
Why Floodscape?
landscape.
Okay.
Why are we doing? What are we doing?
We went crazy in the silent fit.
What are we doing?
No one is voting. Everyone is just going around the elevator.
Who's
Door.
that?
Okay, we're going to a hard map called Old Voltron Base.
We're going to hold version D.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So, there's a button down
Okay.
there.
Yeah, yes, but I'm stuck. This door is broken.
It's not broken, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Everyone is coming. Okay, I don't know if I don't know. Okay, go.
What happened? No, I'm not doing it.
What? I have
Let's
some.
go, baby.
There's something. I have something.
We're going all crazy. Guys, we're going all crazy, everyone.
Yes. I'm stuck. This is so.
Nathan, go to the next thingy.
I'm stuck.
It's ready.
The one I read the description. Earlier when I played Floodscape S, I just heard about this. They have some problems with wall jumps.
Break. Make a ladder.
I just made them. Oh, that one off.
Let's go. Ooh, let's go, baby. Come on, boys.
I closed it.
Oh, shit.
Quiet, boys.
I'm
How can that
dead.
guy glitch?
I'm dead.
This map is the hardest.
Look at me.
This is the hardest of all.
There's a
them.
board. Okay.
This is so annoying. I'll play Floodscape.
This is so annoying also, guys. This game is
What is
broken.
this? Look! Oh, people are stuck inside there.
Let's go voting that time.
OMG! OMG! Everyone is now off. And the lava is now rising.
Oh my god.
OMG, that's the finish line. What? Oh!
What?
They didn't saw it. I didn't beat that map. It was too hard and too dull. Okay, time to vote for a map. This time Tria.
Okay, I choose the same one I choose.
Okay.
We're not going to Tria yet.
We
We're not
are-
going to Tria. I hate that's my favorite. That's my.
That's
That's
your
my.
worst map enemy.
That's my. That is my not my favorite map.
Oh wait,
I hate that map. I hate that map.
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nothing.
God.
Color!
This is confusing.
colors.
But this is
Okay, go.
I
I'm
just-
so laggy at the beginning. Since there's so many people are playing the game though. That's why everyone, a little bit of people are pushed because of this.
I don't want to get stuck. It's too hard.
is so hard. Oh, this is I'm having land.
Yeah, that's a very big map.
Yes, it is.
Many people die. Actually.
Wait, everyone, I don't think this server's too good. Look how much people are playing the game.
Why everyone?
Too many. Okay, everyone, I'm going to leave this game to play another server. Make
Yeah,
sure.
that's me. I'm gonna start recording. I think this is very easy.
Slenderian.
Not Slenderia. Oh, I found a server that's good already. It's just 5 people.
Plus, let's play Superman. Okay?
What do you mean, Superman?
Come on, let's just play it.
No, I cannot play. I'm still recording.
Just play it. Record Superman. Madeline, are you going to?
Okay, sure. This looks like a vacation lobby.
Hey, stop that! Why is it Madeline stopping recording?
Josh, they can hear you. This Tria. It's my favorite.
Why is it?
James Johnson.
Okay.
Make sure you visit my brother's channel, John Smile. Hit the like button.
I'm doing John Smile.
For more up daily videos.
Look at me at the back.
And look at my real face. Okay. Also subscribe
I
to
read
John
for the
Smile.
one. Yeah.
And hit the like button on my video. No, I
Look at this.
said
Ta-da!
record. No.
Okay, we are going to Techno Love.
This lip.
Okay, good. Okay, go. The lava will rise very fast.
I just rise quick. I'm not recording.
Wow, I see the map on map. Hey, that's updated Techno Love.
Recording.
Let's see the other.
Let's play with Dark Knight.
Hit me. Okay. Okay.
Hello guys, this is my video and I'm joined by YouTuber.
Rich man.
Everybody's going crazy. And yeah, hit the like button
I
and
will
my
play
video. and
Destination, not only. I'll play Tria. Destination. Wait, Johnson, you're joining a different
I
server.
want to play the rapper.
Anyway.
That was 5 people like that.
Yeah, wrong server you're playing. And it's so
I
dark.
trust the wrong server.
Sorry, okay, like I said, I was so laggy.
This is confusing. Who's the reason?
What's at the rapper?
Ah! Okay, I'm too laggy, okay, so just please.
Can you play whatever you like to play now?
Enough, you can play whatever you like to play if you just want to.
I'm not playing now because it's just a game.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, okay. Enough bloopers. Just- I can see you go crazy.
Listen me. Really? Yes.
What's this? You'll get a kit. Click this. I'll get a kit. I'll take 3 for kit. I'll get a kit.
Yeah, guys, it's my video and we're gonna play a new game with
Nathan.
Nada.
Oh, the overflow.
Just me and some random people. I found it this morning, so yeah.
OMG, this is
This
the
night, not this
the
morning.
old overflow.
Okay, I'm okay.
Someone should go down there.
What's the game?
Laggy.
We gotta play this. Red Dawn.
Secret found. Baba. I'm so lucky I cannot do anything. Okay.
I'm not the
Let's go play it. Okay. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my video.
You want to get cake? I don't get.
Yeah. Hit the like button and subscribe to my video. there we go.
Look at me. Look at me, Nathan.
Subscribe to my channel.
Look at me, Nathan.
like button
Look at
and
me,
subscribe to
Nathan.
my
30 subscribers equals a very special video.
When we have
see me,
when we have 1,000 likes,
Johnson, what is that?
Look at me. I'm crazy.
when we do 1,000 likes and subscribe, 1,000 likes and subscribers, and 1,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers, I will do a new video.
Let's
Yeah, this is actually for a bus.
You always remember this one. Please remember this.
Funny in the oaks.
Shush, I'm recording.
Oh, we're skydiving, everyone. I'm going skydiving with my sword.
Hey, everyone.
Make sure when we get. Okay, I just killed myself. I killed myself for accident. Go.
This one.
Let's not kill everybody.
That's it.
Yes. Go!
What is that? Yes! This is map. This is all.
I'm going skydiving again. That's all I'm
What is this map? The real firefall.
When we get 1,000 subscribers,
Yeah, this is
we're gonna get
something
a
amazing.
new- something amazing. And make sure you hit the like button also.
I'm off. Okay, so everybody, this is the end of my video. Just short enough. Maybe you
You know
guys
what
want to
this
see
game?
this update.
You know what this game?
Enough, I can't see. Okay, so bye.
Play with us and
Oh, that